But goddamn, get it done, will ya? Woo. When the blow up now, everybody's so unusual with it. Shit. But said times in these rhymes, cause his memories, we running through the...
Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how you can make your turbocharger actually last forever. Now, this will apply to all turbos. Does not matter if it's a diesel, if it's a petrol, this will work for all your cars. This is a product I strongly believe in. A lot of you guys always message me saying to me, will this work for your diesel? Will this work for your turbocharged car? Will this work? Or I get a lot of comments saying to me that I don't, then people never see me actually use this product in my car. Well, today I'm going to show you I am going to be using it. And this is for a reason. There's two of them I've actually bought, which I'm going to be going ahead and showing you. So as many of you guys know, we changed the oil. So now after changing the oil, we're going to be using this, which is the diesel turbo cleaner. And it's from Forte. You put it in your gas tank and it cleans your turbo and it stops sticking variable veins. Now, if you see on the back there, it says everything right there. Clean sticking valves, geometry turbos without dismantling, actively reduces soot emissions, cleans EGR valves compatible with all diesel engines for diesel and biodiesel up to B30. Therefore, it will work on all your diesel engines. We're going to be pouring this in. As I've changed the oil, I do have half a tank of diesel as well, because that's what you want to make sure you've got half a tank, so it mixes with the fuel. You don't want to have a full tank when putting this in whatsoever. We've also got this Forte, which is the advanced formula diesel treatment. This goes in the petrol tank. We're going to be using two of them. I order them every service, every time I service the car. I ran this when I first got it because you don't know how the car's been looked after. A lot of you guys have always asked me, can you use this stuff on your diesel engine? The answer is yes, and I'm going to link this in the description for a lot of you guys to actually go and use it. You'll see there as well, it's got everything you need. Reduces noxious exhaust emissions, especially if you live in the city. Improves engine performance, drivability and cold starting. Prevents fuel system corrosion. Lubricates and extends life of the injectors and fuel pumps. Controls fuel oxidation and gum, varnish and acid formation, reduces valve combustion chamber, EGR valve and variable vein turbo deposits, restores injector spray pattern, and is compatible with catalytic converters and particulate filters. So even if you have a DPF, this will work on your car. I'm going to use them, both of them together. These work a treat. This is something, again, we've always used in the garages for diesels. A lot of people come in, ask to buy it, ask us to stick it in, especially if they've got an injector problem. This stuff works absolutely flawlessly. The same along with the diesel turbo cleaner. I've got the two of them. They were around £23 on Amazon and I purchased them myself. These ain't sent to me because I'm not really so well known for the diesels on YouTube. As many of you guys know, I'm more known for the M52. So they don't send these to me, I bought these myself. I'll always run these through my diesel and you'll see that every single service purely because I have to. These really do work and they do prolong the life of your turbo. I've always used this on my diesels and never had issues with turbos or anything. But then bear in mind, I don't believe in remaps. If you go and remap it, I can't guarantee that this is going to fix your issue. It may not, and this may fix your injector issue. But you know what? I've run them through, keep the engine clean, keep the engine running perfectly. So let's go out to the car and I'm going to show you how to actually put these in your petrol tank. And you need to do them in reverse order. So first one you'll put is diesel turbo cleaner, then the advanced formula diesel treatment. They'll work together and go through your engine. I'll put them in before I start up the car. So many of you are going to ask me where you fit this. So how you'd fit this to your car or how you pull it in is just open your diesel tank. You'd find your petrol tank right there, or diesel tank, whatever you're going to be putting it into, which this one is obviously for diesel. You're going to want to remove the cap off here and you're just going to want to pour it in. There you go. When it's needed, I'll pull it in. And as you've seen there, that is how you'd put the Forte products into your car, just by doing that very simply. Now what we're going to go ahead and do is start the car up, let it run with the Forte lubricants in. So you'll see there now, the car's running with the Forte products in. Like I said, I use it all the time and I've never had no issues. So if you guys do want to buy it, I will link it in the description below. I hope this video is going to help a lot of you guys with your diesel engines or your turbocharged engines. If you do have an issue with your turbocharger or you're looking to free it, or of course it's being stuck or it's making a high whistling noise, I would recommend to try these Forte products. As you see, I have put them in my car and I don't have no problems actually using them because I know and trust their products. So I hope it's going to help a lot of you guys looking for a product for your car. Thank you very much for watching this. BMW Dr. Dean here, and goodbye.